Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya, and in this video we're going to create a formula that uses the SUMIF function that adds up all the values that meet a certain criteria. In this Excel spreadsheet I have a table of data with dates, resource types, monetary values and account numbers. Above this is where I'm going to calculate the SUMIF function. I'm going to create a formula that adds up all of the values in the gross column where the resource type is power. In cell C2, type total. In cell C3, click on the Insert Function button. In the Search for a Function box, type SUMIF. Click Go, and then select SUMIF from the list below, and press OK. The range is the range of cells that we want evaluating, so this is the list of resource types. So, click into the range box and then select the values in the resource type column in the table. The criteria is power. Instead of typing this in, we can select cell B3 with the word power in. Finally, the sum range is the range of cells that we want added up. Select the values in the gross column. When you press OK, the total will show as 2628, and because our data is in a table, the formula has automatically been copied down for the Bob resource type. Finally, change the formatting of column C to accounting.